Several weeks ago, it was revealed that Boeing was considering purchasing Spirit AeroSystems in the wake of Alaska Airlines' mid-air blowout incident to better manage its supply chain and safety protocols. It was never going to be a straightforward deal, as Spirit AeroSystems has diversified its client list over the years to include several other companies, including Boeing's rival Airbus. Now, reports suggest that both Airbus and Boeing are exploring options to split the operations of the supplier. In an attempt to take back control of its supply chain and iron out production quality issues, it was earlier reported that Boeing was looking to purchase Spirit AeroSystems, which supplies parts for the Boeing 737 MAX program as well as large parts of the 787 Dreamliner. But since Boeing divested itself of Spirit AeroSystems back in 2005, the company picked up Boeing's arch-rival Airbus as one of its clients. Thus, a change of ownership will require approvals through discussions and deliberations. Reuters reports that all three companies are engaged in talks with one another to see how they can navigate these complex issues and work out a deal. Spirit's flagship Wichita plant in Kansas deals with supplying parts of the 737 MAX and the 787s. As such, it'll go to Boeing, no matter what the outcome of the discussions. But Spirit's business with Airbus accounts for nearly 1/5 of its revenues. Any deal emerging from the current talks will have to consider this. Airbus is specifically interested in Spirit's Kinston composite parts factory in North Carolina, which deals with the central section of the A350 aircraft, as well as the A220 wings factory in Belfast, Northern Ireland. It's not often that Boeing and Airbus come to the table together for a discussion due to antitrust concerns, but it's clear that Airbus wouldn't want Boeing anywhere near the planning and costs for the A350. However, the format of the discussions at the moment is unclear, and several things will have to be sorted out, including the value of the Spirit plants that supply Airbus. According to Reuters, industry sources estimate that Airbus may have to spend more than $1 billion to make the operations in Belfast more affordable. It also remains to be seen what will happen to Spirit plants in Morocco, Scotland and Malaysia, which are smaller in scale. Sources familiar with the development told Reuters that some of these could be handed over to third parties. Many developments have unfolded following the Alaska Airlines blowout incident. The FAA has had to control Boeing's 737 MAX output, and airlines that have ordered the MAX airplanes have had to change their short-term plans. Boeing has also seen a massive upheaval in its top leadership recently, which many hope will be the start of the long recovery process for the US aircraft manufacturer. What do you think will happen with Spirit AeroSystems? Leave a comment and let us know. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.